What ingredients do we need? 227 grams of unsalted butter, 200 grams of white sugar, 220 grams of brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 360 grams of AP flour, and 350 grams of chocolate. Now we're ready to make our chocolate chip cookies. To begin, mix the butter with the sugar. Make sure to mix it well. And then mix it even more. Now add the eggs and continue mixing. On a different bowl, add the salt to the flour. Then add it to the batter. Mix it again. And while mixing, add some more flour. Make sure to mix it well until it is smooth. Now we're ready to add our chocolate chips. And then we return to mixing. Mix, mix, mix. Get your ice cream scooper and scoop the cookie dough onto the tray. Take note, it may look like chocolate chip ice cream, but it's not. So please refrain from eating it before baking it. Now we're ready to bake. Bake at 375 Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Voila! Our chocolate chip cookies are ready.
C is for cookie, it's good enough for me. C is for cookie, it's good enough for me. C is for cookie, it's good enough for me. Cookie, 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 cookie.